Hello guys, in this video I'll be sharing with you guys various MTN code that you can use to buy data at a very cheaper price. Make sure that you watch to the ending of this particular video so that you can be able to get real value for this video. And if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, because on this YouTube channel we talk about business and making the money. If you are somebody that loves business and making the money, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into this video properly. So the first code is *312*10# *312*10#. You can be able to use this code to buy data at a very cheaper price. So let's wait for it to load. So you can see that you will be charged 20 naira for the purchase of 75 MB data bundle valid for 7 days. So with 20 naira you can be able to get 75 MB. Let's say for example you don't have money to buy enough data and you want to browse something in the internet, you can actually buy this with 20 naira and you are good to go. Another code that you can also use to buy data at a very cheaper price is *312*87#. This is another code again. So you can see you will be charged 15 naira for the purchase of 200 MB plus 150 MB 14 days plan. You can see that it is very cheap. With 15 naira you can be able to get 450 MB. It is so cheap. And the interesting part about this is that you can actually use this data to browse anything on your phone. So the next code is *312*88#. *312*88#. I'm going to send it now. So let's wait for it to load. You will be charged 200 naira for the purchase of 1 gig plus 500 MB monthly plan. To proceed, select one of purchase. So with 200 naira you can be able to get 1.5 gig. This is so cheap. So let's go to the next code, which is *312*200#. This is another good code that you can also use. *312*200#. Dear customer, your request to browse at 3.07 naira MB was successful. It means that if you want to browse with your airtime, you can actually use this code to browse. You can see that it is successful. So I'm going to reverse it since I don't want to browse with my airtime. So all you need to do, you dial *312*201#, then you send it. So let's wait for it to load. You can see it has been cancelled successfully. So the next code is *460*60#. *460*60#. So I'm going to dial it now. So you can see pay 200 and get 2 gig to access content and tools for SME for 7 days. So this is another code that you can also use. With 200 naira you can be able to get 2 gig. This one is so cheap also. So you can also go for this code. If you are looking for cheap data, you can also go for this. So the next code is *344*2*1#. This is another good code again. So guys, let's wait for it to load. You can see with 50 naira you can be able to get 350 MB for 7 days, while with 25 naira you can be able to get 250 MB for 1 day, while with 150 you can be able to get 1.2 gig for 30 days. This one is very cheap. While with 500 naira you can be able to get 4 gig. So this is very cheap. You can also go for this code. You can go for the 1.2 gig or 4 gig. So the next code is *123*2#. *123*2#. So once you dial it, this is what you are going to see: better talk, pause, pause. So I'm going to select one, which is the second one. But before you can use any of these options, you need to migrate to the package, or you can use the current package you have. So I'm going to choose 2 since I'm in pause. So I'm going to choose 2. Then click on send. So you can see the first one, gem pause. In case I'm not in pause, so I need to migrate first before I can benefit from this. So we are mostly interested with this number 4, which is IG, TikTok, YouTube. So we are going for number 4. So I'm going to type 4 now, then I'll click on send. So you can see that with 200 naira we can be able to get 1 gig valid for 7 days. This is very cheap. You can use it for your Instagram, your TikTok, your YouTube for good 7 days, and this data last a lot. I've used it before. So if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel. So the next code is *312*1 *10# *312*1 *10#. So I'm going to send it now. Let's wait for it to load. So you can see that 2 gig hourly bundle, 5 gig hourly bundle. So let's go for the first one first. We have 10 gig hourly bundle there. So let's go for the first one, which is 2 gig hourly bundle. So you can see you will be charged 200 naira for the purchase of 2 gig hourly bundle. So you can see that this is also very cheap. So let's go back and try the other one so that we can see for ourselves. So all you need to do, you press 0 to go back. So I'm going to type 2 now to go to the next one, which is 5 gig. You will be charged 500 naira for the purchase of 5 gig hourly bundle. This is also very cheap. So I'm going to go back now. So I'm going to type 0 to go back now. So the next one is the 10 gig, which is 3. So I'm going to type 3, then send it. You will be charged 1000 naira for the purchase of 10 gig hourly. It means that you're actually getting 1 gig at the rate of 100 naira. This is very cheap. So guys, these are some of the MTN code that you can use to get cheap data. If you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel. So guys, see you in our next video.